It's not easy living with joint pain. It's typically something that affects everything you do throughout the full day, whether it's shoulder pain, knee pain, hip pain, depending on what activities you like to do. Sometimes it's a nagging pain, bothers you a little bit. You kind of notice it on and off throughout the day, but you're able to do the activities that you enjoy doing still. Other people, the pain gets to a point where it's severe enough that you don't do the things you like to do anymore. You don't bike, you don't walk, you don't hike, you don't garden. Next thing you know, you're on your couch, you're sitting all day, and you're not engaging in activity. Education matters for you because you have to know what process is taking place with your body. And if the more you know about the process that's taking place, the more you're able to make an informed decision on your treatment pathway. If you have questions, if you've wondered about an aching pain in your shoulder or a nagging pain in your knee that's been there for the last couple of years, the webinar series is something that I think can give you a set of information that hopefully starts you down the pathway to getting your diagnosis and then giving you some treatment options that you can explore, and hopefully we can find something that's going to fit best in your life.